Hello, my dear ones. Today I'll show you a few simple and affordable ways to give old Christmas ornaments a new life. First, I apply a priming coat of paint to the ornament. I had some leftover paint from a home renovation I did, so I decided to use it. It's just regular interior paint. To make the paint textured and give it a certain relief, I add baking soda to the paint. I also decided to coat them with decorative varnish. I also have a black pearlescent varnish, which I apply as well. I apply a layer of paint to this ornament as well and coat it with several types of decorative varnish. And this ornament, I decided to simply coat with paint mixed with baking soda and leave it in a minimalist style. You can also use pistachio shells or nut shells as decoration for the ornament. I apply several layers of regular acrylic paint in different colors. I coat it with decorative varnish. You can decorate the ornament with beads or other decorative elements you have on hand. And here's the result we got. Everything is simple, inexpensive, and most importantly, made with your own hands. Subscribe to the channel, give a like, and stay tuned for many more creative DIY home decor ideas.